In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a layer or an image in Photopea. Begin by opening your project in Photopea and locating the Layers panel on the right-hand side of your screen, where you will see all your elements, including images, text layers, and shapes. Duplicating a layer is very simple and can be done in two different ways. The first method is to right-click on the layer you want to duplicate. From the menu that appears, click on Duplicate Layer and you will instantly see a copy created directly above the original. You can then use the Move tool to reposition the duplicated layer anywhere on your canvas. The second method is even faster and uses a keyboard shortcut. Select the layer you want to duplicate by clicking on it in the Layers panel. If you are using Windows, press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. If you are using a Mac, press Command+J. As soon as you use this shortcut, a duplicate layer will appear automatically. After creating the duplicate, you can enable transform controls from the top of your screen to resize, rotate, or reposition the copied layer as needed. For better organization, you can also double-click on the duplicated layer's name and rename it to something more descriptive. This helps keep your project clean and easy to manage, especially when working with multiple elements. And this is how you can duplicate a layer or an image in Photopea